What's going on, guys? Johnny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. Today I'm gonna be cleaning these half cab Vans. As you can see, they are pretty beat. So hopefully Reshoevn8r's advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system could take care of the job and get them crispy again. So let's get started. All right, for comparison reasons, I'm only gonna be cleaning the right shoe today, so I'm gonna put the left one to the side, put this one right here. The first step, I'm gonna grab our adjustable shoe tree. These are a size 11, so I'm gonna take it to about the 5th hole up. Insert it into the shoe and remove the laces. All right, now that the laces are removed and the shoe tree is inserted into the shoe, the next step is to grab your bottle of solution, pour 2 small squirts into your bowl of water, and begin cleaning the uppers using our soft bristle brush. All right, guys, real quick, I want to point out this material of the shoe is suede and canvas. Anytime you guys are cleaning a suede shoe, you do risk the chance of it bleeding. This one doesn't seem to be bleeding, it looks fine, so I'm just gonna go ahead and continue cleaning the entire shoe. All right, I think the uppers are looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and clean it off real quick. Looks pretty good. There are some darker stains up here by the heel area and the ankle. So I'm gonna try hitting that up with our new all-purpose brush. And then I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the midsoles with our stiff bristle brush. All right, guys, the midsoles are looking pretty clean. Go ahead and check that out. So the next step, guys, is to grab our laundry bag, throw the shoes in there. But before I forget, because you know I always forget, we're gonna clean the laces. So you're gonna grab your laces, dip them into the bowl, and just rub them in between your hands. All right, let's throw these in the bag. Go ahead and lock it up. Let's head over to the wash. All right, guys, let's go ahead and open this up. Toss the shoes in there like so. Grab our sneaker laundry detergent. You can find it at Reshoevn8r.com. Loosen the cap, squeeze it up to an ounce. Just pour it on the shoe. All right, just go ahead and close it up like that. Turn it on, wash, small cycle, cold water. Hit start. We'll be back in 42 minutes. All right, guys, we are back. We went ahead and let these dry overnight, and as you can see, they are looking super crispy. That suede is looking super vibrant. One thing I do want to point out, guys, is this canvas material is a little faded. I thought it was from the washing, but it's not. Underneath all this dirt on this one over here, I can tell that there's a lot of fade into it. You just can't see it because of the dirt. So unfortunately, there's no way to bring that faded canvas back. But the last step now, guys, is to lace up the sneakers. There it is, guys. The shoes are all laced up and they look beautiful. Once again, guys, this was achieved using our advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and our sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so that way you know every time we drop a video. Leave us a comment below which shoe you would like us to clean next. And don't forget, guys, we are giving away a pair of Yeezys each month this year. So don't forget to sign up. Link will be in the description below on how to do that. All right, guys, I'm Johnny Bubbles. I'll see you in the next one.